Okay, it's lens. It is the, I don't even know what date it is today. It's the 13th of June 2014, and today is when we are going to start shipping our Mirai-chan doll over here that you can see all lined up. So I just managed to make 20 yesterday. Gonna make another 10 today, and yeah, we're shipping. Finally, it's been a tough journey, and the journey seems to be getting tougher. Lots of hurdles, and yeah, it's kind of tough. Working out of this place, it used to be our house. The floor is just like all damaged. It's becoming quite a burden. Let me show you upstairs so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, so this is where we are packing, assembling the boxes up here. It's getting very hot because it's just started to be summer. Right now, just like full of stuff. I mean, we used to sleep here actually. Let's go downstairs. What time is it? It is 20 to 8. Stuff should be coming along soon. And let's turn the lights over here. A bit dark in here. And this is where we assemble the dolls. It's got some stuff down there, bits over here, and as you can see, it's we can like hardly move over here. Yeah, it's been a tough ride. It's getting tougher, but we can get through this. We can get through this because working with restrictions is good. It's the best way to grow. And which is what I keep telling myself. So I know this is definitely worth it. Anyway, and then over here is I mean, this used to be where we took a shower, and now it's full of parts. It used to be worse because it was like all stacked up to the ceiling, but we managed to like clear out some of the parts. That's about it for here. Let's go back upstairs. Anyway, yeah, I don't think but out of so many years running this company, this has been the most difficult, really the most difficult part ever. I mean, we've done web pages, we've done like TV shows, but making actual products is there's so much involved. But anyway, we can get through this. We're going to get through this because we can. And I'll be watching this sometime in the future in our big new office, where we don't have to like step over or have stock barricade us in so that we can't move. And I'll also be watching this video when we are able to like move back home. And so this is our home, and I want to like move back as soon as possible, and I think Mirai-chan is going to help me. Okay, we'll be seeing this video sometime in the future, hopefully in better circumstances.